Hello my friends, just popping in to share a little bit of connective tissue work, which is really popular in my workshops, and I think for good reasons. It's kind of magical and all credit to the body and its amazingness. So I thought I'd share it with you because it's much requested, and I like to call it the monkey toe claw grip. I am open to new names though. All you'll need is something comfortable to sit on the floor. So if you've got wooden floor, I recommend having a blanket on the floor. If you've got carpet, you should be good. That's all you'll need. So as opposed to having a mat, have something soft and cushy because we're going to be sliding, darling. So first of all, in order to be able to check the magicness of this, I'm hyping it up now and maybe I'm going to regret that. But first we'll do a check-in, and if you're familiar with my approach to this whole movement stuff, I feel like check-ins are really valuable on and off the blanket. So bend your knees and then just wrap your elbows around you like super cash, like I'm just kind of hanging out. And you could hold your wrist if you like, or your hands or your fingers, whatever feels comfortable. Distance between the feet, completely up to you. You just want to find a place to land. And then from here, you're just going to look ahead and trace a line with your eyes up the wall. And maybe you just land on a spot that's somewhere on the wall in front of you. Maybe some of you have a bit more range of motion, so don't force it, but maybe you can even look up to the ceiling. What you want to do is find your range of motion. So look for a kind of symbol or marking that where you can log whereabouts that is. Okay, so because we're going to come back to this and measure it in a bit. Got it? And then lower the head. Take the hands behind you and just lean into it. So super cash. If you're using a blanket, it could be nice to sort of drag it a bit closer towards you. And let's start with the left foot because it's closer towards you. You're going to slide it out, not all the way, so the leg won't be completely straight, it will still be bent. So foot is on the floor. Then imagine you're going to pick up a pencil with your toes. So go to grip it, you might even pick up the blanket itself, really scrunch that pencil, and then lift up the toes, but keep the heel on the ground. Then place the pencil back down, spread the toes out, and then drag the foot back towards you. Yeah? We'll repeat that a couple more times. So slide the foot forward, not all the way. Pick up the pencil, lower the pencil, spread the toes, drag the foot back. So you're just leaning into your hands, and all that's moving is your left foot. That's the movement. All right? Now let's check how our magic went. Lean forward again and let's check out the range of motion. So just as you did before, trace a line. And let's see if you got any extra movement. Oh, I definitely did. So without straining, you're just trying to find a really natural range of movement. That really, I was shook. And then see if it was any different for you. If it wasn't, please don't worry about it or feel pressure or hopefully not disappointed, but I hope you got some extra space. Should we do the other side and just see? So lean back, casual, just slumping it out. Right foot slides forward, pick up the pencil, heel stays down, release the pencil, spread the toes and slide the foot back. So repeat that a couple of times on your own. La 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 la. Easy sleazy. Lovely. Let's do another check-in. Did we get any more space? Oh my goodness, I think I did. So take your time. Coming back to neutral, I really hope you found some space there. There's lots of reasons for this that we can talk about and nerd out on anatomy stuff, but the main thing is we want to find ways to release tension and feel better in our bodies, and I really hope that this worked for you. Thank you so much, and feel free to use this anytime you need it. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Yay, monkey toes.